Indian Oil Extra Tej presents India Gourmet Lux 2024 सेकेंड सीज़न। और पहले सीज़न में काफ़ी बड़े धमाकेदार एंट्री हुई थी और इस बार और ज़्यादा धमाकेदार, क्योंकि जो वेडिंग इंडस्ट्री है इंडिया की, इतनी शादियां जो होती हैं उसको पूरा जोड़ने का, सारे एनवायरनमेंट को, चाहे वो वेडिंग प्लानर्स हैं या फिर केटरर्स हैं, होटल्स हैं, रेस्टोरेंट्स हैं, शेफ्स हैं, पूरी इंडस्ट्री को जोड़ने का लग्जूरियस तरीका है इंडिया गुरमे लक्स। पूरे इंडिया से, भारत से होटल्स, रेस्टोरेंट्स, वेडिंग प्लानर्स, केटरर्स, टॉप शेफ्स, रेस्टोरेंट्स सब इकट्ठा होकर एक बहुत ही बड़ा जश्न, ऐसा जश्न जो आज तक कभी नहीं बना।
As you see, we are already in India's most prestigious venue, the Dome at NSCI Worli. And today we are excited to host the Gourmet India Lux, sponsored by Extra Tej Indian Oil.
I would like to congratulate Sanjeev and his team that they have done this. I think it's a great contribution to the wedding and functions coming forward.
I'm pretty stoked about being here, really excited about meeting all the wedding planners and the HNI clients from the west region of this country.
The biggest learning that we want to take away is how open the industry is for technology.
This initiative of ours, what you're seeing growing year on year, India Gourmet Lux, in its second edition in Bombay at Dome, the fantastic venue been built. What we see, it amalgamation of caterers, restaurant owners, hoteliers, and thousands of people coming in to taste the experience, to taste the food, to experience the whole ecosystem of food and weddings. We've grown this property together with Chef Sanjeev Kapoor and Mohammad Morani and Mazhar Nadia Adwala. Today, this show, our main sponsor, presenting sponsor, Indian Oil, has come on board for a long-term view on this. Thank you to Indian Oil to make this happen for us.
Currently, we're at the IGL event 2024, and it's a great honor to come and represent the brand marketing team of the Leela here. We are currently presenting all our brand IPs, such as Tisha by the Leela, Pool by the Leela, along with our signature gifting packages, which contains organic mithais, which are Indian sweets basically, and along with handmade chocolates.
I'm super excited to be here at the Gourmet Lux by Chef Sanjeev Kapoor and Group, and I'm super ecstatic to see the kind of vibe and the kind of vibrance that different food caterers and chefs have brought into one place.
The best part is that you come across best ingredients. You meet industry people where you can come across new concepts, new connections, and what is the trending part that is happening right now in 2024?
Really honored to be invited to the India Gourmet Lux. I think it's an exceptional event. I see the best of the best people here. And I think this opens up an entire new market.
This is truly a wow factor when it comes to food and luxury and opulence and variety of tastes from cuisines across the world.
It's really wonderful to see the showcase of the new innovations, the new brands in food.
I feel actually great joining this event.
We're super excited to be a part of the second edition of India Gourmet Lux. I am so glad that I participated in India Gourmet Lux.
Yes, this is the time that we actually dive into tasting the food divinity. Yes, हमारे curators यहाँ पर मौजूद हैं जो यहाँ पर आ चुके हैं. हम each and every stall पे जाएंगे, हर एक stall पे जाएंगे, exhibitor से मिलेंगे, उनका खाना, उनके खाने के बारे में, hospitality, उनके खाने के बारे में, उनके जज्बात को जानेंगे. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's get on with this whole walk of pavilion. And to do so, and to do the honors, I have with me Chef Sanjeev Kapoor. Along with him, I also have Mohammad Murani, Mazhar Nadiadwala, and Deepak Chaudhary. कहाँ से चालू करेंगे? आप बताइए कहाँ से शुरुआत करें इसकी?
मुझे दिख रहा है ये बहुत बढ़िया. आई थिंक झुंझुनू वाली सेठानी. वाह, अमेजिंग. सबसे ज़्यादा भीड़ लग रही है मुझे यहाँ पे, और अभी शुरुआत भी नहीं हुई है. वाह.
Well, हमारी सेठानी ने हमारे सेठ जी को इम्प्रेस कर दिया है. संजीव सर फुल्ली इम्प्रेस लग रहे हैं.
देखो, सेठानी नाम दिया, किसको सेठानी से मिलाया है. ये देखिए, अपना नाम बताइए.
अपना गर्ग, झुंझुनू वाली सेठानी दादी के नाम पर.
दादी के नाम से, तो दादी को प्रणाम. थैंक यू. क्या बात.
जाफर भाई बहुत फेमस है. हम तो
Iconic है,
मैं तो
legendary.
बचपन से हम सब जान रहे हैं इनको.
So this is our chicken bhuna roll. This is mutton maida roti, and I'm going to give him mutton biryani, which is our signature item from the last 70 years.
चलिए अभी आगे बढ़ते हैं. Well, this is the Indian Oil Lounge, and ये हमारे प्रेजेंटर भी हैं, हमारे कोलैबोरेटर भी हैं. इनके बगैर ये इवेंट मुमकिन नहीं हो पाता.
द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट स्टॉल. सो वेडिंग इंडस्ट्री में मेरा मानना है एक चीज़ जो चेंज इमीडिएटली होनी चाहिए वो है सेफ्टी. द केटरिंग दैट इज डन, एंड इंडियन ऑयल एक्स्ट्रा तेज और इंडियन ऑयल जनरल स्टैंड्स फॉर सेफ्टी. So I believe that this partnership is made in heaven. So thank you
very nice.
Thank you to Indian Oil Extra Tej, जिनकी वजह से Gourmet Lux, India Gourmet Lux 2024. So thank you to the entire team.
Now, what can I say after Sanjeev ji? First of all, it's a privilege for Indian Oil to have him as a brand ambassador. I think a legend in the industry, and the association has really done wonders. I think one of the best as far as the product is concerned, and with Sanjeev ji being there, it has added light to it. And the most satisfying thing is that the association, the product is actually galloping now. I mean, the sales are going up like anything.
Which is commendable.
Yeah, absolutely.
Commendable.
And I think that's the best thing when you have an association like this. Eventually, that was his interest also, that my association must help the business also, which has happened. But on top of that, the safety and the other features of the product in terms of heating and all, I think it's a boon for the restaurant industry. But thank you very much for being part of Indian Oil family now. And it's a privilege and honor for us that you are here and encouraging all of us actually.
I wish you all the very best. May today's day is going to be as memorable as possible for you all. Take back a lot of memories home. Thank you, sir.
Let's do a nice selfie. Yes.
And say cheese. हाँ, पर हम एक और स्टॉल पे आ गए हैं. क्या खिलाने वाले हैं? बताइए आपके बारे में, आपकी यूनिकनेस, आपके.
So first start the sushi, cream cheese avocado sushi, and veg tempura asparagus sushi.
The shawarma here, the kebabs here are my favorite. Really amazing. One of the best Lebanese food you can have, Arabic food in Bombay.
अभी दिल्ली से मेरे फ्रेंड आए. उन्होंने कहा कि किसी ने मुझे फ्लाइट में बोला कि अरे मुंबई जा रहे हो तो प्रताप ढाबा पे ज़रूर खाना. आप जानते हो उनको? मैं कि सर 40 साल से जानता हूँ.
हमारे पास है छोले भटूरे,
गर्मा गर्म छोले भटूरे. यस, चलिए अभी बढ़ते हैं आगे.
अच्छा, ये फोटो तो मैं खिंचवा चुका हूँ. इन्होंने बोला यहाँ पे प्रिंट करेंगे. अब तक शायद प्रिंट हो गई होगी. पहले फोटो खिंचवा के जाओ. फिर उसके बाद में प्रिंट आउट ले लो. Thank you very much.
Pista stuffed with malai, creamy Indian base.
Cranberries, US cranberries.
Always healthy.
America's original superfood.
And
American
then we get on to the
pistachios.
pistachios.
Lovely. Pistachio hummus
It's my
with
favorite.
chips.
I love pistachios. The
क्या बात है?
healthy one, the easy one to eat.
Pecans ये नहीं है. ये वो फिरदौस जो नहीं है इस हिंदुस्तान में. तो
पर अब ये बहुत पिकअप हो चुकी है. I think
क्या
हम
pecan
pecan
pick up
अभी
you.
खाने के बाद आराम करना बहुत जरूरी है. तभी शायद जाके हमारे
Amazing.
शरीर को लगता है. Hello, hi. So what do you have to say about this?
We are from a power spa. We put this setup for weddings and events. अभी weddings में you know everybody is busy day in day out. Events are happening. So we are the person we keep the guest relaxed and energized for all the events.
मैं अभी 2 दिन पहले ही इतनी लीला की हॉस्पिटैलिटी देख के आया हूँ इन चेन्नई. ब्यूटीफुल होटल, ब्यूटीफुल टीम. Weddings के अंदर Fairmont has been, as I said, killing it. So wish you all the best with the new property.
Well, thank you, Fairmont. You're doing a wonderful job. All the very best for your future endeavors. Thank you. This is Gourmet Kitchen.
Looks amazing.
Very nice.
Amazing.
Yeah, you guys are up.
This
Any
is
very famous.
Belgium.
I'd
बहुत अच्छे.
like to try the sea
नहीं तो सारे ही अच्छे हैं. So we are here at Keystone.
Oh, we are trying to organize the luxury wedding space. So we're bringing technology and luxury together.
Ranch Catering. So what would you want to say?
I'm really grateful that we got the opportunity to present our product here.
Wonder Chef के बारे में कुछ बताइए.
वंडर शेफ तो सबके लिए एक फेवरेट ब्रांड है इंडिया में. बट टुडे व्हाट वी हैव इज फ्यूचर ऑफ कुकिंग इन इंडियन किचन्स. शेफ ने इजाद किया हुआ है. दिस इज शेफ मैजिक, ऑल इन वन किचन रोबोट.
And now moving forward, let's get on to the Legacy Luxury Bespoke Catering.
Legacy, the Legacy brand himself, right from Dubai. Thank you very much, Zorawar. Thank you very much.
Legacy, first ever time a pop-up we're doing at your wonderful event.
Thank you for flying down for this.
Well said.
From Dubai.
We are a bartending company based in Mumbai. So we are seen in this industry for past 20 years. We are the pioneer in making exciting cocktails. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, to give us this opportunity to be there in this your wonderful event.
Rocket Apple. Oh, Nair on fire.
Actually, it's a brand that has been created from a small kitchen at home. Pure Kerala food, authentic, hopefully the best you can get.
अच्छा पिटिक. Yes, sir. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि खाने.
Being so confident, ये नहीं खाया आपने.
नहीं, आपका नहीं खाया. कैसे खाया? Yeah, I liked it. Very nice. Very good. Thank you.
So we set up live beauty parts at weddings, corporate events. We do like make your own bath salt, lipstick, lip balm and stuff like that.
Coconut. मेरी फोटो वाला कोकोनट कहाँ है? ये रहा.
We are in flavor dry fruits, and we make ourselves these dry fruits, and we do live counters in weddings and giftings also.
मीठा by Radisson. Lovely.
शेफ, मौका चाहे कुछ भी हो, मीठा तो होना ही चाहिए.
बिल्कुल, मीठे के बिना कुछ नहीं. मथुरा पेड़ा ट्राई करता हूँ. इतना बढ़िया डिस्प्ले आपका, इतने बढ़िया टेस्ट है.
Thank you.
Fantastic. Amazing.